Homeowners and apartment dwellers alike need a basic household toolkit. Having basic tools handy in your living area makes it much more convenient to do simple home repairs. Hi, I'm Wayne with Mr. Handyman. Today we're going to be taking a look at some basic tools you should have in your home toolkit. A 12-inch level, a claw hammer, a tape measure, stud finder, and carpenter pencil are all great tools to have for hanging pictures around your home, hanging a TV, or installing a cabinet. A standard and metric Allen wrench set is the perfect tool for furniture assembly and towel bars. An adjustable wrench can remove hex nuts and tighten bike parts, while a socket set can tighten, loosen nuts and bolts, and help in assembling a bike. A mini hacksaw will cut steel or PVC pipe, while a 15-inch handsaw will cut wood or plastic, and a retractable utility knife will cut drywall and many other materials. A ratchet screwdriver with removable bits is a great tool because it offers a variety of screwdriver options for different screw types and sizes. A combination square can create square lines for cutting a board and general checking of square. Have a rusty nut or drain pipe? Have a pair of 9.5-inch channel locks in your toolkit to loosen them up. A 2-inch putty knife will patch small holes and loosen trim, while a 9.5-inch pry bar will open wooden crates, remove trim, and open a tight window. A cordless drill is perfect for drilling holes in drywall, wood, or steel, and a good set of drill bits will give you the right bit to use with your drill. No toolbox is complete without a pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes during your projects, and of course a roll of duct tape, which can be used on just about everything. If you need help in your home with a project big or small, be sure to call Mr. Handyman, your one-stop shop for a wide range of home maintenance and repair solutions.